Loading the potato.
Hold on. Okay, now.
All right. We're loading the potato gun, and we're pointing it skyward, shooting it thus.
And how far did it go?
It went 1,000,000 feet. No, it went 25 feet. I don't know. All right, so we're making another one here. Okay, Aaron. There you go. Okay.
Whoa, good job.
Okay, Maggie. All right, there you go.
Maybe what Daddy.
Yeah, that way, sweetie.
Maybe Daddy.
Oh, it's got. You got to shoot that way, away from people.
Uncle's gonna let Daddy have a turn next.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Now I'll load it. You bring it to your daddy, okay? Okay. Okay. Bring it to your daddy. See how far he can shoot it. I bet he'll be expert at this.
Let's see.
I think he needs another